make your own custom door handle. Just put whatever you feel like. I added some stickers and I pre-painted it with the yellow paint, then added some butterfly kind of a print, then I put some stickers, some confetti, and just glued them on. And this is what it would look like, but it has a nice detail to it because I went top, bottom, like I had several coatings of it. And I did the same exact thing to this doorknob handle as well. And if you can see, the glitter on the yellow makes like fine details. And I put some hearts because I love hearts as girl. And so now I have a really good door handle. Something